Alright, it says I got stabilization on this camera too, so let's try it out. Ultra wide 4K 60. Nature Ride Part 2. Subscribe and like. A little bit of. I might actually go ride down into that neighborhood right there. Check that out real quick and then ride around. If it's a neighborhood, I'll ride it, but if it's like a street or something, no way. Looking like a neighborhood, I'm not hearing any cars really. I'm sure there's a road nearby. Oh? A pathway? Hey? I like that. Give me that. A park? A tree? Duck? The bumps? Yeah, I don't want to get lost. I'll just turn around. I think I'm just like right down there and then back into this neighborhood, but I don't want to get lost. I'm not from here. I got coordinates on where my car is, but that's about it. Yeah, these bumps are gnarly. I don't like that. There's a big one right there. Like a whole bunch more. Tree, duck, still cat. Okay, no cars down that hill. Back the way I came. That's what I know. There's like a lot of bumps right here, and it got super narrow. But luckily, I loosened up my truck's hella. Loosened my truck like way more than what they were, so I'd have a little bit more ability to hard and stuff. I just checked around my back. I don't have any like. Now I do. They come quick. Partners don't even say shit. No, on your left or nothing. Just fucking right past you. Fucking bitch. The biker in my last video was cool. He was like, on your left. It's like, thank you. Everyone's gotta be somewhere. I just like the biker's story. But he lives here, bro. Barn. Nice place. Living out here. Yeah, I bet they want to live out here. Nature. Gotta watch out for this thing. Let's go. Just creep right there. Alright, I know it seems like I'm not going so fast and I'm not, but I don't want to be going really fast. This is just so loose gravel. Okay, cross the street and then I keep going a little ways until I get back into the neighborhood. where I came from. Dude, what a bump. Thank God I got off-road tires. These puppies, well, don't ride off. Maybe actually ride off. See what it's like. Rougher. Definitely rougher. No bikers behind me, so I'm good. I got my remote in one hand and my phone in the other, so if I fall, I got a case on it, but no spring protector, so if I'm falling on literally gravel, not just concrete. I'm saying goodbye to my phone. It's great. Bikers coming up. See you, hopefully you're not right now. Making it back into the city, step. Like and subscribe for more content like this. ISINWHEEL V10. Nature Ride Part 2. Ultrawide camera. Stabilization, supposedly, I don't know. Probably. Alright, I didn't go that way, I was just on the trail the whole time. I don't think. I think I stayed on the trail the whole time. I don't think I went over that bridge, but maybe. I'll go up here and then I'll turn around. See if this is the right way. I think this is. Yeah. Yeah, because I remember riding past all these buildings. If not, I still got plenty of battery. I know you probably can't see that, but I tried. I tried to use my shadow so you could, like, possibly do that, but I don't know. Riding in nature. I think this is my stop, right? Yeah, this is where I came from. Because the guy said that if I went this way, it would take me back around to where I came from, and there's a giant bump there. But I don't really want to ride down here. That's just way down there and then back by that street. And I don't like street noise in my videos. So, probably not a good idea. Biker behind me. A bunch of bumps I gotta conquer. He's gotta go up a hill road. Cool. Biker went the other way. This is gonna be a long ass video. It's gonna take my phone like 3 hours to upload it. Yeah, I waved at that biker and he actually gave me the head nod. So, one cool biker. I've seen like 10 of them that are all like, didn't even say anything, or if I waved, they wouldn't say she didn't do anything at all. Right, there's the money shot, right there. Yeah, I made it back to the neighborhood where it's not this gravel. But I am gonna have to make an insane maneuver. That gate is not open. I got bikers coming. Alright, now the pathway is clear for me. I'm gonna hang left. Pathway wasn't so bad. Pretty big bump there. Though, but nothing this can't handle. This thing's beast. Watch out for the tree. Alright, I'm done riding. It's lunchtime. Finally, I can go faster. Well, I think I came from down there, so I'm gonna just take this path and see where it leads me. Ooh, a dirt path? Narrow as hell, but I like it. I like to test the boundaries. And that is like exactly what I want. It just goes down to the other side. You know I want to ride down that, but I think there's a big old drop off right there, and nah, it doesn't even take me anywhere. It's just like right across, and then it's like a ditch right there, so I wouldn't want to have too much momentum and just like go down there, the pit of nastiness. No thanks. Yeah, that water is like still sitting water. Alright, this is probably where the video ends. I'm here on a road, like a main road. Yeah, yeah, that's definitely a main road. Definitely here to destroy my audio. Alright, I'll right back. 13 minutes? Damn! 13-minute video? This is gonna be crazy. Alright, YouTube. I'm peacing out. But I will ride that trail real quick. Kick push backward because I'm not putting it in reverse for a second. Alright, that's the trail that I'm gonna ride down. I'll ride back. And I'll just end the video at the end of this trail ride. Sorry for such a long one. Yeah, I don't even fit on this trail. I'm like either half on or half off. So I guess I'm up here, riding where it's like rougher. Maybe I'll ride half on, but gnarly. And I gotta watch out for trees. So this is the reason why I'm only going like 10 miles an hour, maybe max. Now I'm going a little faster because it widens out a little bit, but tree, whoa, don't ride down the hill. Alright, I think this is my exit, so, and there's the Mountain View. Subscribe for more. ISINWHEEL.